5 seconds to go. Start. The remedy before a competent court or under criminal law is, in any case available as per the existing legal framework. Stop. Para. In light of the aforesaid discussion, question number 5 is answered as follows. Para. A proper legal framework is necessary to define the acts or omissions which would amount to constitutional tort and the manner in which the same would be redressed or remedied on the basis of judicial precedent. Stop. Particularly, it is not prudent to treat all cases where a statement made by a public functionary resulting in harm or loss to a person oblique citizen, as a constitutional tort, except in the context of the answer given to question number 4 above. Stop. Para. In light of the above discussion as well as the answers given to the questions referred, the following other conclusions are drawn. Para. It is for the Parliament in its wisdom to enact a legislation or code to restrain, citizens in general and public functionaries, in particular, from making disparaging or vitriolic remarks against fellow citizens, having regard to the strict parameters of Article 19.2 and bearing in mind the freedom under Article 19.1a of the Constitution of India. Stop. Hence, I am not inclined to issue any guideline in this regard, but the observations made herein above may be borne in mind. Stop. Para. It is also for the respective political parties to regulate and control the actions and speech of its functionaries and members. Stop. This could be through enactment of a code of conduct which would prescribe the limits of permissible speech by functionaries and members of the respective political parties. Stop. Para. Any citizen, who is prejudiced by any form of attack, as a result of speech oblique expression through any medium, targeted against her oblique him, or by speech while constitutes hate speech or any species thereof, whether such attack or speech is by a public functionary or otherwise, may approach the court of law under criminal and civil statutes and seek appropriate remedies. Stop. Whenever permissible, civil remedies in the nature of declaratory remedies, injunctions as well as pecuniary damages may be awarded as prescribed under the relevant statutes. Stop. Para. However, answers given to question numbers 4 and 5 may have a bearing in the context of collective responsibility of government and constitutional tort. Stop. Para. Writ petition criminal number 113 of 2016 and special leave petition civil bearing diary number 34629 of 2017 are directed to be listed before an appropriate bench after seeking orders of the Honorable the Chief Justice of India. Stop. Para. By an order dated 5th October 2017, a 3-member bench of this court directed writ petition criminal number 113 of 2016 to be placed before the Constitution bench, after 2 learned senior counsel, appointed as amicus curiae, submitted that the questions arising for consideration in the writ petition were of great importance. Stop. Though the bench recorded, in its order dated 5th October 2017, the questions that were submitted by the learned amicus curiae, the 3-member bench did not frame any particular question, but directed the matter to be placed before the Constitution bench. Stop. Para. At this juncture, a special leave petition diary number 34629 of 2017 arising out a judgment of the Kerala High Court came up before the same 3-member bench. Stop.